Okay, hi, my name is Bridgette, and I heard about stem cell therapy on the Facebook page, and I decided that that would be a pretty good idea for me because I was playing tennis about 3 years ago, and I tore the meniscus in my knee, and I was going to be going on vacation and decided that I should go get it checked out and see if I should take care of it, if it was something I was being a wuss about or something I should, maybe just wear a brace and see what was going to happen. Well, the doctor told me I tore my meniscus, and I decided that I'd go on vacation anyway and take care of it later. That was a mistake. Taking care of it later, I found out about a year after that I had arthritis in my knee, and I was bone on bone, so the meniscus didn't even matter. They wanted to do a knee replacement, and that was in California. I was not comfortable with a knee replacement at all. I don't want anybody cutting into my knee. I don't want the recovery time. The time I have to take off work sucks. So that was not an option for me. I decided to come on in, talk to Brady, and find out what was going on, and find out the cost, the time off, what I was going to have to do. My husband and I came to the seminar, absolutely loved it, enjoyed it, we talked about it, decided it was going to be a great option. We were a little worried about the financing, but when we found out that there was financing options, we were just all over that. It was perfect for us and perfect for me to try. It was in December. That was one big problem because I got my shots in December right before Christmas, and that was good. Didn't hurt, felt really good, used to shots, not a problem. About a week later, I was at home, went outside, took some water out for my husband to put on his windshield, slipped on the ice, fell on my knee, and went right under the front of my car. Not good. That was not good at all. It hurt so bad. So told Brady about it, and he told me that was pretty much the same thing that had happened to his dad. So it was a setback. I had to wear my brace on my knee again for a little while. But with the cold weather and all that, it was okay, comparing to what it was feeling. And now, 6 months later, it's June. My knee feels great. I just went and bought a bicycle, so I'm super stoked about that. I can start exercising. And saw Brady, I work over at Cabela's. I saw him and he goes, "So how can I twist your arm and have you come in for a testimonial?" And I went, "Dude, I have tomorrow off, so I can come in tomorrow if you want." I totally believe in the stem cell. No time off work. A little bit of discomfort with a shot. Get that worse when you just poke your finger doing something. It's not bad at all. So I totally recommend it for everybody. I can get off and on the Harley now, no problem. I can ride my bicycle. So I definitely recommend it, definitely over knee surgery. My brother had his knee replaced, big old ugly scar like this big, up and down his knee, gross. He was off work for over a month, and he sends me pictures and stuff, and I go, "Ooh, nasty, look, I had a Band-Aid." So I beat him, I'm doing better. Anyway, that's it. Have fun.
That's awesome, thank you.
Thanks, sorry.